So if you take a look at this assignment, what you're going to do is please type all your answers. I can't read your writing and I won't grade that. Please type all your answers. So what you're going to do is look through the 100 franchises, find one you think is interesting. I want you to tell me the name of the franchise you're researching. What year did it begin? Um, when did they begin franchising? What does your business do? Do they sell tacos? Do they have childcare? What are the training requirements? And what is the initial franchise agreement? How long is it? So these are the questions you're going to be answering. So we're going to go back to the site that we were just at. Hello. For our last assignment, we are going to work on a franchise. And I will give you the link that you see at the top of this page. When you go to this site, you'll find that there are franchises, and they're all numbered over here to the right. So the top 1 to 10 that they have starts with McDonald's and ends with the Intercontinental Hotels and Resorts. If you want to get the full listing, you just click this orange button right here at the bottom, and you'll notice that you get the first 20. It tells you what type of business this is over on the right. So in order to look at a franchise, you have to know what a franchise is. There are more small businesses in the United States than any other type of business. And a lot of people don't want to work for someone else, yet they're a little unsure of how to go about starting a business. A franchise allows you to buy a business that is a proven, successful business. If you take a look at this list, you'll notice Taco Bell's on there, McDonald's, Domino's, 7-Eleven, Wendy's. This is just on the first 20. There's 100 here at this site. And so a good franchisor will allow you to buy into their business. You can use their logos, but you have to follow their rules. So for instance, if you own a Subway, yes, you can, it's your store, but you have to follow the rules that they set up. So if you're a fiercely independent person and you want to do things your way, a franchise would not fit you. However, for this assignment, you are going to research a franchise, the cost, what it's like. So this is the site you'll go to, and if you take a look, you'll notice right here is 21 to 40, and I will be giving you the ability to look at any of these. And some people don't want to be in a restaurant business, so here's a lawn care franchise. If you take a look at hotels, senior care franchises, a lot of people are getting older, need help. Here's a bakery and donut franchise. So you can look through these 100 and pick a different type of business that is a franchise that would allow you to make a good choice. A franchise offers many opportunities to you. It reduces your risk of loss because they are a proven successful company. It also has standardized products, which means when you go to one Subway and then you go to another Subway, or however this works, they all have similar products. They're pretty much run the same way. That's what a franchise does. You can have collective buying power, which means your money goes further. When you buy your equipment for Subway, for instance, you will notice that all the Subway restaurants look alike, have the same equipment. They have it made especially for Subway, and it should be a little bit more cost effective. You have uniforms designed. You have research and development. What are people interested in now? You will get some help with site selection because a lot of franchise restaurants or businesses don't want you to locate where there isn't enough traffic going by for you to be successful. So a franchise can be a good deal if you don't mind following their rules. They tell you when you have to be open. They also tell you the hours you have to be opened. But you can also depend on being successful. And take a look at how do we find this material. So if we take a look, come on. If we take a look and say that we want to own a TGI Fridays, we would click on that. And pretty soon it's going to pop up here. It tells you it began in 1965, and by 1969 they were franchising. They were selling the use of their name and logo to people. If you ever come up with an idea to have a franchise, I mean, you start the business, then you start franchising. That's how you make money. Because if you take a look, there are right now 870 TGIF Fridays in the United States, and all of them pay part of their income to the person who started it. So if you take a look, you can take a look right here's your description of your franchise. Here's your training overview. Your training overview tells you how much time you need to have with them. And if you take a look down here, it says territory granted. The franchise agreement does not give any exclusive rights. So it means there could be another one not too far away. If you take a look down here, your investment table, you'll notice that your initial fee, franchise fee, is $50,000. If you're interested in having this restaurant, it's $50,000 just to apply. Your furniture is going to run between $825,000 and $1 million. You have your computer system, your opening inventory. You can see that you have your building runs about $1,300,000 to $1,750,000. And so if you go down here to the very bottom line, let's see here, it says that your total is between $2.5 million to $3.8 million. So they don't hide any costs from you. They tell you exactly what it's going to be. Here's your other fees, royalty fees. This is where if you can come up with an idea, it's awesome, because every restaurant that is opened by as a franchise owes 4% of their sales to the headquarters. They have, how many stores did we say? We said they had 870 stores, all sending 4% to the store that originally started, the people who originally started it. That would be a pretty good income. Okay, it talks a little bit more about a few other fees down here. And so this is what you're going to look at for your site. Please fill out all the questions. And if you can't find one of the items, then let me know, but we can take a look at it. Take a look at the material that's attached to this assignment, and you will find your worksheet and the website you're supposed to go to for your information. I hope you have fun looking at this, because it really is an eye-opening event, because you could maybe come up with money and say, yeah, I think I can do that. Or you may say, I don't want to follow all their rules. I want my own business. Well, the one good thing about a franchise is they'll come in and look over the area for you and tell you if there's enough population there or not to be successful. All right, have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.